My name is Siddhartha Ray. I work in an IT company and I am an amateur photographer. My interest lies in bird photography, and I have a Canon body and a Sigma lens 150-600, which I generally use for bird photography. Today, as I speak, I'm speaking from Siahgad Bird Valley, one of the most beautiful places to visit for any avid interested bird photographers, whether you are at an entry level or a professional. And it's a privilege to be with SPW Expedition with Sumit. This is my second workshop with Sumit. First one I did at Vetal Tekadi, and this is for my second one in the Siahgad Valley. And one of the key things which as an amateur photographer, what I understand is that there are so many areas to learn. I mean, obviously, with a DSLR you are trigger happy. You can just point and shoot and edit and get anything and still get a good picture actually. But it's that one picture with the perfect frame, perfect composition, with the right metering that makes your day. So it always helps to have a good mentor, which Sumit is, and to give you inputs in terms of the shots that you take, the level at which you should shoot, the eye level for especially for birds, how to observe the birds, their habits, how much to get close, what are the techniques that you use. I think these are learning that do not come every day, since we are all busy in our day-to-day life. Obviously, it works to have a mentor who can guide you, and it has been a wonderful day today. We shot the Paradise Flycatcher. We shot many birds actually. Blue tickle. What else? The green beater, and 3 or 4 more. But for any photography expedition, I would suggest to come to this place and do check up on SPW Expedition with Sumit. Thank you.